And as you can see, the pulley is loose. That's a wrap for that. Yes sir, Rise and Grind. I'm back at y'all with another video of the Pull Up King. In this video, we working on a 2002 Chevy Tahoe. We're gonna be doing a water pump on it. I don't think I got a water pump how-to video on this Tahoe, so I'm gonna go ahead and give y'all one. Client recommendation: they want the water pump replaced. Belt is off. I'm gonna show you how we're gonna get that done. First, you want to get this intake tube off. This air intake. Got a 8mm here or a flathead. Either one to do. Get that off. That's the water pump. Alright, we got these tabs here. I'll have to get these out to remove this fan shroud. Got one back here. One should be there. Okay, once you remove those, you got 10mm, 10mm. Alright, now we can move it. Get this top part out. So it looks like we got access to what we need. Really don't need to take that bottom shroud out right now. So, and as you can see, the pulley is loose. That's a wrap for that. Belt off. The belt look pretty new. Alright, so what we want to do is get this bolt from this fan from the pulley. So we're gonna go ahead and knock that out. Alright, here's a little trick, man. This is what I'm going to use to get this fan away from the pulley. Alright, so that big bolt that you see, or that nut, alright, we got it on there. And you see it won't turn. It won't unlock or loosen because it's tight. So this is what I'm doing. I don't have my little tool set on me, so I'm going to push up on this, and that pulley will not move when I do that. Now when I use both hands, I'll be able to pry down, push it down on that while I'm pushing this up, and it's going to break free just like that. So all I need, just some MacGyver shit right there, man. Whatever it takes, but we can get this off now. All right. All right. I want to give y'all a look at what's going on here. Thermostat. This pulley. I'm gonna take that off. Put that on a new one. Upper radiator hose. See all of these bolts and what it's attached to. Man, this thing is leaking oil bad. And I see where it's coming from. Dang, it's all the way down here, caked up. Valve cover gaskets. Whew. Yep. definitely what's going on. I know you're leaking oil, you're losing oil, and probably don't know why. All right, so we're gonna get to it. It's our water pump. Thermostat comes along with it. Now with that thermostat, a lot of people might just put it on just like that, but I'm gonna take it off. I'm gonna put some gasket sealing on it. Got to, just for preventative maintenance. You don't want to have to do this job over, but it's possible that it'll leak from there. I read some reviews. All right, we got our clip off. Got that clamp. You wanna, this is what I'm using. Go ahead and twist that. Put that on there and twist it. I already twisted it. That's the best way to get that off. If you don't have those type of pliers, you can take your little pick or something and get in there and try to twist it like that. But we gotta get this hose off. Attached to the top. Put that to the side. Now, coolant has been, has exited the vehicle, obviously. It's all over. If it hasn't, you have coolant inside, you want to drain it and avoid spilling when all of these hoses come on out. Go ahead and get this hose off, bottom radiator hose attached to the thermostat. All right, same thing for that one. Twist it off. We got a little coolant coming out. Next, we're gonna get these hoses. These could be pretty tough if you don't have the right tool or pliers. All right, so next we're gonna go ahead and get these 15mm bolts. There's 3 of them. Just holding that bracket. All right, that's that pulley. They're different size bolts, so make sure you keep them in the holes. All right, now we can see our bolts. Now we can see our 6 bolts. 10 mil. Let's get that. Everything ready to come out. Clean that surface off. Go ahead and take that out. 10 mil. Get that thermostat. Put some gasket sealing on it. Alright, see, they got a gasket in there. So we're gonna put that sealant right along that gasket area and put it back on. Something like that. Just want to make sure no coolant come out of that. A little extra precaution. Okay, backside. Since these can get, they're pretty thick, but over time they can't wear. I'm gonna add some sealant to it. Another precaution. Fan on. All right, so the belt that the customer had on here prior, obviously it wasn't the correct one. It won't even go on. They got different selections. They got 100, 5 amp, 130 amp. It got different amps, and I'm not sure if this is the right one, but this job is complete with the water pump. And you want to top it off with Dex Cool. GM vehicles use Dex Cool. That's the orange coolant. You want to start up your car, turn on the heat full blast, and get the air out the system. Top it off again, because that fluid's gonna go down. Drive it around, make sure your heat comes on. When that heat come on, you know your job is complete. If it don't come on, you still got air in the system. All right, man, next video, pull up king.